keeping our community's voices alive and keeping him alive in memory. And that is so important now that it's going on years to reach victory, to reach justice. It is so sad that it takes so many years to do so, and we're still fighting. I also want to add that us as youth, although we are young, there is still a generation that is rising behind us. And we as youth have been educating them in keeping Alex and all the injustices alive, fresh in our hearts as scars in which we bleed. Our mothers have been crying, our communities have been bleeding, and we have all been dying. We can all be next. Despite white supremacist tactics to kill our leaders and feed us narcotics, we matter!
Yes!
We must continue to strengthen and celebrate each other, for we are survivors.
Shut the whole system down! 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 Shut the whole system down!
My name is Roberto Hernandez and I'm a native of El Barrio de la Misión. And we are here in solidarity with our black brothers and sisters. So I'm going to give you a little snapshot of what's going on in El Barrio de la Misión. 8,000 Latinos have been evicted from El Barrio de la Misión, while 6,000 white techies have moved in. These 6,000 white techies have the privilege of going to Dolores Park, drinking wine, drinking beer, smoking weed, and the police never fucks with them. These white people called out the police and had Alex Nieto killed. We have had 5 fires. 5 fires. 5 fires in less than 6 months. 223 people from our barrio are homeless. And now that we're talking about homeless, there are 3,000 children. And the San Francisco superintendent of the school district, 3 weeks ago, I asked him to verify it, and he said there is 3,000 plus children who attend the unified school district who are homeless. Now, you think they're white?
No.
You think they're black?
Yeah.
You think they're brown?
Yeah.
The rents have gone up. Who can afford $5,000 a month today? Who can afford $1 million to buy a house in San Francisco? Not you, not me. None of us. So 2 years ago, check this out. 2 years ago, we met with Mayor Lee. And we asked him to declare a state of emergency. It's been 2 years and he still ain't done it. 2 years. We asked him to put a moratorium on evictions and he still ain't done it. We asked him to put a moratorium on development of any new luxury condos, and he still ain't done it. We need to let today be the beginning. Not just go home after today. We need to come back. We are coming back on May 8th at 12 noon. And we're not going to stand in these stairs. We're going inside. May 8th, we're going inside. We're going inside. You feel me? Si se puede. Si se puede. So let me end by saying that every person, every African American, every Latino who's been evicted, we're going to demand that they be given a voucher, and that when this so-called 30,000 new affordable housing is built in San Francisco, African Americans and Latinos be given the right to come back and live in San Francisco. Si se puede! Si se puede!